Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys Froger Reactions here, back with another video. Today we're going to be reviewing this and this.
iPhone 14 Pro Max versus iPhone 16 Pro Max. Everything's going to be tested.
Let's go.
Let's go. So if we put them side to side, it's slightly taller, just ever so slightly taller. The bezels are also big difference there. We got camera control on this one, so if I hit this, it opens up. I can light press, zoom in and out.
There's no camera control
and
here.
Just use that to take a photo. That one doesn't have it. Now we're gonna discuss some Geekbench results. That has the A16 Bionic, this has the A18 Pro. We're gonna take a look at the Geekbench scores, starting off with the single core score.
2560.
And this one's packing 3,092. So about a 500 point difference.
Not bad.
Then the multi-core.
6468. Not bad. Great
And
results.
this one's the 16 Pro Max is 7,033. So honestly, not that big of a difference. I was expecting more. Then the GPU, metal scores. Big difference here.
23,933. Good score.
And this 16 Pro Max has 32,419. About 10,000 more almost. Crazy stuff.
Okay.
Now we're gonna test out, so Apple Intelligence also is able to run on the 16 Pro Max, all of 16 series. That, however, does not have it as the 14 Pro Max. Now we're gonna be testing out the flash photos here on the 14 Pro Max and the 16 Pro Max. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm gonna take a flash photo of Logan here in 3, 2, 1. Alright, now we're gonna take a flash photo of Logan on the 16 Pro Max. 3, 2. Now we're gonna head outside and we're gonna test all the photos and videos that you need to see out in the park. Here we go. So we're outside and we're gonna be testing the iPhone 14 Pro Max to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's get it. Here we go. All right, we're gonna take an ultra wide angle photo with the 14 Pro Max. Here we go. All right, now we got the 16 Pro Max. We're gonna be taking some photos. Let's start with the ultra wide. Oh shoot, my fingers are already on this thing. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna take it with the main 1X camera. Now with the 1X, 3, 2, 1. Just different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Now with the 2X camera on the 14 Pro Max. Now with the 2X, 3, 2, 1. Now with the 3X camera on the 14 Pro Max. Here we go. And now 5X digital zoom. 3, 2, 1. Now with 48 megapixels on the 14 Pro Max. Let's do it. Here we go. Now we're going to be taking 48 megapixel photos with the 16. 3, 2, 1. Ultra wide, boom. And now the ultra wide on the 16 Pro Max at 48 megapixels. Here we go. The 16 Pro Max goes up to 25x, but we're only gonna do 15x because we want to compare it to the 14. So let's do 15x here. Boom. Okay, 15x. Now we're gonna do portrait photos on the two phones. On the 14 Pro Max, portrait mode. Here we go, on the 16 Pro Max. Now we're gonna take some selfies on these two phones. So let's do that. And now on the 14 Pro Max. Now you can take macro photos on the 16 Pro Max in 48 megapixels. So I'm gonna do that on here on the 14 Pro Max, but it's only gonna be 12 megapixels. And now I'm gonna go raw max one more, 48 megapixels. All right, now we're gonna be taking some videos on the phone. So we're gonna start with the 16 Pro Max here, 4K 30. Let's do it.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's our boys, Froger Reactions here.
Oh,
and
yeah.
We're filming a little behind the scenes with the 14 Pro Max and the 16 Pro Max. As you can see, we're filming with the 16.
Oh yeah,
Woo!
this is the 14 Pro
14
Max.
Pro Max. Yo, what's going on, guys? A little behind the scenes of
Oh,
our
yeah.
16 versus our 16. Let's
Oh
go.
yeah.
Woo!
Now we're gonna be shooting slow-mo. So slow-mo on the 14 Pro Max here.
Okay.
We love slow-mo. Slow-mo on the 14 Pro Max only shoots in 1080p. It's always been like that on every phone. So we're gonna do that on the 14 Pro Max in 120 frames.
I love it when you do it like that, when you walk out wearing nothing but. I love it when we do it like that, you know that I'm right there, want you to. You make it look so easy like that.
All right, now we're gonna shoot slow-mo 120 frames per second, 4K on the 16 Pro Max. It's got 4K. So I'm gonna go to slow-mo here, 4K 120. Let's do it.
When you walk out wearing nothing but. I love it when we do it like that, you know that I'm right there, want you to. You make it look so easy like that.
So the audio on the phones this year are much improved. So he's gonna say we're gonna record video
Words.
here, and he's gonna test out the audio.
Yo, guys, we are filming a little behind the scenes with the 14 Pro Max. We're comparing this phone to the 16 Pro Max. Let's go. Yo, guys, we are filming a beautiful video. The 16 Pro Max versus the 14 Pro Max. Here's a little behind the scenes.
Okay, so I have no storage on my 14 Pro Max. It's full to the max, and it's full to the max. The 14 Pro Max is full to the max. That's funny. But we can shoot some ProRes on the 16 Pro Max because it does have 512 gigs, and I can shoot it in 4K. So we're gonna do that real quick. Yo.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Slo-Mo Reactions here, filming a little behind the scenes with the 16 Pro Max, guys.
What does ProRes look like? Let us know.
That's it for our review. We compared the 14 Pro Max
To the 16 Pro Max. And we hope you enjoyed all our tests. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.
Comment down below and
we'll
make
see you.
sure you all subscribe. We're trying to hit our goal of 500 subscribers by the end of this year.
Let's
go.
go. Peace.
Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I